Hello. So we will begin with installing the Ubuntu, and as you can see I selected the language and then install Ubuntu options. So this is once you put the CD into the disk and then allow the computer to boot from the CD, then this how it starts the Ubuntu installation wizard, and it will boot into the Ubuntu and then it will give us the options. So let's see. Okay, so now the install wizard has came up, and it just explains you can choose the different languages and then click on the forward. um, I'm right now near New York, so I'll select the same thing, but you can customize these options. And I'm in USA, so it allows us to manually partition the disk. This is for the advanced users, so I'll just continue with the guided partitions. And then it will ask you for your name and then input for the password. So I'm putting in my name, and then I'll select the password. Okay, I'll click on login automatically because I don't want every time whenever I reboot to enter my password, and then I'll click on the install button. So this will basically format and will install the whole Ubuntu onto the hard disk. This might take at least 10 to 15 minutes for installing the whole system. What I'm going to do is, like, I'll stop the video in the middle, and I'll restart it when it's 99% is reached, and in that way we can save some time and recording. So it's towards the completion now. It has finished basically installing the whole system, and now it's asking me to restart, so I'm just gonna click the restart now button. Okay, so it will restart the Ubuntu. So it has reached into the basically it has boot into the Ubuntu system. um, you might have to set up your connection. I have already plugged it into the my internet connection, and that's why it's already connected. um, in a little while you will notice that it will ask you for the software updates. So it will basically ask that software updates are available, and if you want to and do the update, so basically click on that icon. Otherwise you can also go through the applications menu and then ask for the update manager, and then it will basically bring you to the same screen. So once you click on the install updates, you will have to put in the password, and once you put in the password, then it will start downloading all the files from the servers, and this is where your internet connection is going to be used. So make sure that you are connected to the internet before you start updating. It might take a little time. I have cut down the video in the middle, so it will that's to just shorten the video. and it's installing all the software, so it will install like everything. It might take some time though. If you are familiar with the terminal window, then basically if you click on the details, then it brings you to the terminal window where you can see basically all the software being installed, and it gives the detailed output. So now it says the system is up to date. Once I close, it will ask me to restart, and this is because the kernel is updated in the Ubuntu. So I'm just going to restart the computer again. So now basically the computer has restarted, and